So let's talk about what happens after closing on a renovation loan. The first thing that usually happens is the hammers come out and start swinging and walls start coming down. That's one of my favorite things about my job. I like to be there and document this day with my clients. How many other lenders do you know who get excited about a house being torn apart the day after funding? As I've said before, the main reason we can lend so much more on renovation loans than a typical cash-out refinance or even a home equity line of credit is that your loan amount is based on the finished house. So our work isn't finished on the day we close. We stay involved during the construction process. Here's how it works. When your loan funds, the title company is going to pay out the seller, or in the case of a refinance, they're going to pay off your old lender. The excess money that was rolled into your loan for the remodel project is held back by us in an escrow account. And just like a construction loan, the funds for the remodel are released through a draw process as each phase of the project is completed and inspected. By the way, you may not be aware that renovation loan guidelines actually allow an option to finance some of the mortgage payments into the loan if you're going to be displaced from the home. So if your project meets the criteria, you may not need to make monthly payments during the construction phase. This may allow you to rent another place, or if you qualify, you could even keep your old home until the work is finished. When the whole project is finished, you'll have a final inspection and you'll go through a process with the draw department to close out the construction phase. It's not a refinance, you already have a permanent loan. And it's not a loan modification. It's just settling into the permanent conventional or FHA loan that you already signed before your project began. If this were a typical two-time close construction project, you'd have to start a whole new refinance loan to pay off the short-term construction loan with a long-term loan. You'd have to do a new set of closing costs, document your income again, and get another appraisal. But our renovation loans are one-time close construction loans. Your interest rate will be set from the very beginning. You won't need to refinance when the project is done, and you won't need to stress during the project about what's happening with interest rates. However, there are no prepayment penalties on your renovation loan. So there are no restrictions on refinancing. If at any time after your remodel is finished, we see an opportunity to refinance that saves you some money, we'll help you with that too. Our team has always had the goal of being our clients' lenders for life. That's one of the reasons I love renovation loans. We'll be with you on your project from day one through the entire construction process and beyond. I hope you'll give us a call to talk through your project. We're uniquely equipped to help you get your project off the ground and to see it through to completion and beyond.